Hello, Assalamualaikum and good morning, student.
Good
Morning,
morning,
sir.
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Malam.
How are you today?
I'm
Fine,
good.
sir.
Very good.
Thank
Of
you, sir.
health.
First of all, I want to take attendance for today. When I call your name, and then you need to reply, teacher. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, for the
Okay,
first one
sir.
is Ni Amirul Afif.
Hai, sir.
Okay, No Shakira.
Aye, sir.
Alright, Intan Batrisha.
Sir.
What about Muhammad Umar?
Aye, sir.
Okay, for the last one, Muhammad Ashraf.
Aye, sir.
Good job for all of you for attending today's class. Are you feel excited or happy for our class today?
Very
Yes,
happy.
very
Very
excited.
excited, sir.
Good job, good job. Thank you so much. Okay, before that, this is the rules and the regulation for our class today. First one is all of you need to give full of attention during the class and then always on the camera during the class. And the last one is mute your microphone except if I ask to on it. Okay, understand?
Understand,
Yeah.
sir.
I have one question for all of you. Have you take your breakfast today and you think your breakfast meal is healthy?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
sir.
Okay. All right. From this statement or this sentence, can you guess what is our learning lesson or topic of our lesson today?
Nutrition.
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 Okay. Wow. Good job.
Good boy, Afi.
So, perfect. Our topic today is nutrition, and we will focus or emphasize about the macronutrients and micronutrients. What is it? Okay. First one, learning objective. Student will be able to determine the differences between macronutrients and micronutrients. Second, student will be able to explain the function of macronutrients and micronutrients. And the last one is student, all of you will be able to analyze the appropriate nutrition based on macronutrients and micronutrients needs. Okay, the definition of nutrition and nutrients. Shakira, can you read for me what is the definition of nutrition?
Yes, sir. Nutrition encompasses the study of how the body processes food and the relationship between diet and health. It's the broader process of how the body obtains and uses nutrients to sustain life.
Thank you so much. Perfect. Uma, what about the nutrients? Can you read for me?
Okay, for nutrients are the chemical substance found in food that the body requires for various functions, including energy productions, growth, and repair. They are divided into macronutrients and micronutrients.
Okay, good job. So, remember that nutrition and nutrients is two different things. For the first one is macronutrients. Macronutrients are the component of food that the body needs for the energy and to maintain its structure and system. Afif, can you list the macronutrients?
Yes. First, fat. Second, protein. And then carbohydrate.
Good job, perfect. Okay, that is for the macronutrient, which is we have fat, protein, and carbohydrates for our body. For the micronutrients, are essential vitamins and minerals needed in small amounts by the body for various functions, including energy production, immune function, and also bone health. Ashraf, can you list to us what is two type of micronutrients?
I think vitamin and minerals, sir.
Vitamin and
Is it
mineral.
correct?
Perfect. Congratulations. Okay, so we have vitamins and mineral for our micronutrients. Okay, this is the table that we explain about the example and the function of each nutrient, which is carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, and mineral. Okay, Uma, can you read to me what is the example and the functions of carbohydrates and protein?
Okay, the example of carbohydrate is bread, rice, and flour. Flour, and the function is to supply the energies needed by the body. And for the
Okay.
proteins, the example is egg, meat, and chicken. And the function is to repair our body's tissue and cells.
Thank you so much, Uma. Very clear voice and perfect explanation. Shakira, what about the example and the functions of fat and vitamin?
For fats, the example is milk and yogurt, and the functions is to help in building bones. And the vitamins is example vitamin C, which is fruits, and vitamin A is vegetables, and the function is to improve the body's defense system.
Thank you so much. Good job. And the last one is Intan Patricia. Read for me the example and function of the minerals.
Okay, the example of minerals is calcium, which is vegetables, and potassium as fruits. And the functions of minerals is to improve the body's defense system.
Okay, thank you so much. So basically, we have a very various type of nutrient, including the macro, which is carbohydrate, protein, and fats, and for the micronutrient, we have vitamins and minerals. All of these nutrients have their own functions, and all of it is needed in our body for our daily life. Understand, student?
Understand,
Understand,
sir?
sir?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good job. For the next one is we will learn about the food pyramid or healthy plate that is pinggan sehat. These two type of food pyramid and pinggan sehat I took from Ministry of Health Malaysia. For the food pyramid, we have four layers, which is the first layers is fruit or vegetable. Vegetable we need up to 3 serving in our day in our daily life, and fruits we need 2 serving in a day. For the next layer is carbohydrates or rice, cereals, whole grain, and cereal product. The carbohydrate we need 3 to 5 servings in a day. For the
Like,
next layer is protein, which is milk product or fish, egg, and also legumes. For meat product, we need to take 2 serving in a day, which is for the next one is fish. We need 1 serving, and then for the legumes and egg, we need 1 or 2 serving. And for the first layer, which is the smallest one, is fat or oil. We need to limit the intake of fat and oil, sugar, and also salt in our daily life. Understand for food pyramid?
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
Okay, next we move to healthy plate, or we call it pinggan sehat in Malaysia. Why we call it pinggan sehat? Because we use quarter half method for this plate. What is quarter half? The first quarter is our carbohydrates, nutrient, which is for example is rice, noodle, bread, cereals, and cereals product. For the another quarter, it is protein nutrients that we can take fish, meat, legumes, or egg for our protein, and for the other half is for our vitamins and mineral, that is vegetable and fruits. But don't forget, we need to take plain water 6 to 8 glasses in a day, which is one glasses is 250 milliliter. Okay, for the next one is class activity. All of you need to scan the QR code, and then two tasks, which is the first one is classify the macronutrients and micronutrients, and the next one is create one meal based on healthy plate. Understand?
Understand,
Understand,
sir.
sir.
Understand,
Okay,
sir.
tell me if you have any question, or if you done it, also tell me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Remember our lesson today, what is macronutrient and what is micronutrient. And just now I explained the healthy plate, which is pinggan sehat, what method that we use to create the healthy plate. If all of you done, tell me, or have any question, just tell me. Intan, Uma, are you okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, good job. What about Ashraf, Shakira, and Amirul?
Almost
Yes,
done,
sir.
sir.
Almost done. Okay. 1 minute more. If you have done it, tell me, okay?
I'm done, sir.
You done,
Done,
okay?
sir.
Done,
Ashraf,
I'm
you
sir.
also,
done.
sir, done.
Okay, congrats. Okay, let's take a look for your class, for your activity. Okay, the first one is Nick Amirul Afif. Classify me pasta correct, micronutrients correct. Congrats, good job, Afif. For the next task, healthy plate. Afif, can you explain a bit about your healthy plate?
Okay, sir. For first quarters, I put egg as a protein. Next quarter, I put rice for carbohydrate, and then the half, I put vegetable and fruit. This for vitamin and also mineral.
Okay, good job. For the next one, no Shakira, macronutrient, fish, puree, perfect, microvitamin. Wow, good job. Shakira, can you explain a bit about your healthy plate to us?
Sure, sir. So for the first quarter, I put noodles because it contains carbohydrates, and the other quarter, I put meat for the protein, and the other half, I put fruits and also vegetable for the minerals and vitamins.
Perfect, very, very correct. Perfect, so perfect. Okay, the next one is in Tan Batrisha. Fish, bread, milk, pasta, egg, great, perfect, micronutrient. Okay, correct. Active plate. Okay, Tan, tell a bit. Tell us a bit about your healthy plate.
Okay, so for the my first quarter, I choose rice as my carbohydrates, and the second quarter, I choose chicken for my protein, and for my half, I choose vegetables and fruits that contains vitamins, and minerals.
Correct. Such as nice quarter half method you use. Next is Muhammad Umar, macronutrients. Correct. Very, very perfect. Oh, a bit different here. We got a break. Okay, Umar, tell us a bit about your healthy plate.
Okay, for the first quarter and the second quarter, I choose bread for my carbohydrates, and my half plate I choose apple and vegetable, which is contains fiber and vitamins.
Perfect quarter half method, Umar. Congratulations. And for the last one is Muhammad Ashraf. Micronutrients, okay, pasta, chicken, micro. Also correct. Congrats all of you. Ashraf, for the last one, a bit about your healthy plate.
Okay, sir. For my healthy plate, my quarter is I choose rice as my carbohydrates, and I choose chicken as my protein, and another half I choose vegetable and apple fruits as my vitamin and mineral.
Okay, thank you, Ashraf. Give a big clap to all of you. You guys did a perfect work and good job. Okay, congratulations. And then the last one. Before I forget, I will give you one homework, which is you need to create a 1 day meal plan based on food pyramid and healthy plate. Understand, student?
Understand,
Yes,
sir?
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so thank you to all my students for attending class for today, for give full of attention to our class today. I hope all of you got something from our class today and practice it in our daily life. Okay, thank you, student.
Thank you,
Assalamualaikum.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, sir.